water leaking out. So we know that hollow is formed as the decay column all the way down. So does that play a role? Well, it does if it's included in the hinge. If it's in one side or the other, we got problems. If it's in the middle...
And look at the water coming out at the bottom there.
So I'm just going to let it drain out a little bit, because otherwise it flies back.
So you really, you understand that the hollow is all the way down there. That's amazing. But that's why he does that. He plunge cuts in there and just, that way he knows what he's up against inside the tree.